Hey guys, I'm heading out on a call today, and this call is at a hotel. Yes, a hotel. And they say they have water leaking from one room down into the another. So we're gonna head out and see what's going on. Y'all stay tuned.
That spray-on coil cleaner stuff, is that something that needs to be done, or is that all?
That all is determined by the tech when we do a maintenance.
I'll get some washers. I need to put this back together.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, got this drain done. The old P-trap was severely clogged on the other one, which was causing a leak, backup, spilling over. So that gets done with this one. Now we got to go up to the hotel room right above us, and I think do the same thing. Alright y'all, I'm up at the next room looking at the drain, and I cut it open and water started pouring out, and it's just gunked up. So we definitely got a clog in this one as well. So we are going to vacuum it out and try to change this P-trap right there. Oh God. Getting out a lot of junk, guys. Alright y'all, this wasn't even glued, and look at this. Standing. And look at that. Anybody want some lunch? Oh man, talk about clogged up. I don't even think any of this is glued at all. Oh, I'm wet. I'm getting wet sitting here. Sweet, without a doubt. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Get it where y'all can see it. Very clogged up.
Used to call them penny wise and pound foolish.
Yeah. Yep. All right, guys. About finishes up this one. Hey y'all, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Just got finished up with that one. Ended up being 2 clogged P-traps on the drain line. So I tried to get a little footage there and show y'all. I changed both of them, tested, and both those rooms are good to go. Coincidentally, they were on top of each other, like 216 and 316, so they were, you know, stacked on top of each other. But anyway, got both them drains cleared. I'm glad I was able to get y'all a little footage. And yeah, we're gonna head on to the next one. Thank y'all for watching.